Hi guys, this is Casey here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your operating system and free up some space on your computer. Now, Windows may notify you that your operating system is out of space when you are installing a new software or even transferring files to your C drive, but there may be some unwanted files you can get rid of in order to free up some space. So the first thing we have to do is to empty our recycle bin. Whenever you delete a file or folder, it doesn't just leave the computer. It actually moves into the recycle bin, which covers a lot of space. Unless you delete a file or folder permanently, all deleted files get stored in this bin where you can restore them back. So in order to free up space on your computer, you've got to delete all these files permanently. And to do this, just highlight all files in the recycle bin, hold the shift button and press delete on the keyboard, and you've got to confirm this by pressing yes. Click on yes. Now also you've got to clear up all temporary files and previous versions of Windows, and to do this, let's go to settings, system, and then storage. Now here you can see the various drives on the computer and their maximum and occupied capacities. Let's head into the drive C. Now you can see what is actually occupying the most space in the drive C. Now for this tutorial, let's head into temporary files. Now you just have to delete all these files which are occupying a huge amount of space in the drive. Now this previous version of Windows are all those files you had on your old Windows before you upgraded to Windows 10. And if you don't need those files anymore, you can just go ahead and delete them. Now the next thing to do is to run a disk cleanup. So you launch your disk cleanup, select your drive C, and the system will now run a quick scan on the selected drive and fish out all deletable files. Now just select each of them, or you can just leave out those files you want to keep and click on the cleanup system files. Now select drive C and the system will run a deep scan on the drive and fish out all deletable files. You can as well run this on a different drive if you want to clean that drive. So after this, just select each of those files and click on OK. And you confirm it, and you are done. The next thing to do now is to uninstall all softwares you no longer use. And to do this, just head into apps and features under settings, and here you have all applications installed on the drive. So all you need to do is to hit on the application and click on uninstall, and doing this can save you a huge amount of space. Now what we have to do next is to actually boost the speed of our central processing unit, and to do this, let's launch the Run app and search for temp, T-E-M-P. Now these are all temporal files which may require administrator's permission before access. Just highlight all of them and press shift and delete on the keyboard to permanently delete all those files. Remember, some of the files won't delete now because I'm actually recording. Also search for prefetch, P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H, in the same Run application and permanently delete all those files as well. Now the last thing to do is to launch the task manager and manage all startup applications. So all you have to do here is to disable all applications you do not need them when the Windows startup, and these applications can slow down your computer. And after this, you will now experience a high-speed CPU with an enhanced memory. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.